welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is the website that I want to share with you guys, that you can earn money once you just play games. You can play games, you can watch videos, you can get the offer and sign up and you will get paid. Okay, and the good thing about this website is you guys can get paid automatically, okay, through your PayPal. If you guys have PayPal, if you guys wants to get to Amazon, gift card or credit card or whatever, I just gonna see what type of payment can you get. Okay, you can get in a Bitcoin, you can get in your Visa, MasterCard, you can get in your PayPal, and so many things that you can do. And let's see what kind of offer can we get to earn the points. So this website is just about points. Once you earn points, you will get the offer and you will earn the points, and once you earn the points you will get the PayPal money. So let's go for the offers. As you guys can see, the offers are we got offer walls, we got daily surveys, we got videos, tasks, apps, and so many things. We go to the offer walls. Okay, once we go to the offer walls, we have this section here, and you guys can check out which one would you like to choose. I just choose this one for now. For true now, as you guys can see, I got 4 points. I think I watch videos, and I'm gonna continue to get more points, and I can withdraw. Yeah, so I can see here, got games here, register in at least 500 points. So I think when we do register for this website, can get 22 points, and once we go and to use this website, we can earn more than 500 points. We have here the games. I think it's a Harvest and iOS. Install, open, and complete level 15. Okay, when we install, open, and complete level 15, we can get 121 points. That's pretty good, right? Speak Up survey and the easy pool. We got so many things. If you don't want to play games, you can go and get if you want to do the trip or camping with the prize, boating, camping, fishing, rewards after you register full. You get full wallet details and complete the SIPS registration path. You will get 42 points after the registration, and so many things. Then you can get 42 points. You can win a trip to the Maldives. I don't know where is it, but rewards after you register with full wallet details and complete the SIPS registration path. Okay, you will get 26 points. Anyway, this is the offers that you guys can get from this section, but I'm gonna just go over to another section and see what's available. So this is another page that I'm going to and see if I want to think yeah, there's another games here. If I want to watch a movie, I can get up to 435 plus points on movies online streaming. I think I should register on this kind of things, and then I watch movies, and then I will get more than 400 points. This, I think, the games. Let's see what is this. Okay, if I click on this and I see, okay, after open the new windows, to get started, click tap the button below, okay, and play 15 battles to earn reward. That looks cool. So when I click on that, I got another window open for me in another different browser, you know, and I can, I think, play this game, and once I, play this game, I play 15 battles to earn rewards. Okay, if I play 15 battles for this game, I will get 67 points. Okay, I can do what I can go to another offer. Okay, I can close this. I can go to offer walls, maybe I go to another, to my last page, last offers, and I open different offers. Okay, I can, maybe I want to play this game after that. Okay, or if it's a video or something, I can, when I just put my email address and details, then I can play and earn the rewards. Okay, but anyway, what I mean is you guys can go and open too many browsers in your computer, in your laptop, and play, different stuff, and watch movies, and just let the movie runs, or let the, um, offers just, just fill the details about the offers and get the points. It's all about to get points and earn money. Okay, and that's it. That's what it's about. And once you earn money, once you got the points, so I'm gonna show you is how you guys can get paid. Okay, it's very simple, and I put the link in the description. If you like this website, you can go and check it out. But for example, if I earn 125 points, I will get paid to my PayPal automatically. Okay, I can do redeem now, but I can do auto redeem. Okay, can do automatically pay to my PayPal, and I spend the money. For example, $5 PayPal cash. So 500 points I have to earn to, to cash out this. Okay, to cash out, to, automatically get paid to my account. You have to just know about this. They get 1% fee for this. Okay, 1% fee, and will process your reward within 3 days. Okay, in 3 days they will process your payments. Okay, after this usually much faster, maybe faster. Okay, but the thing is, it's automatically. Once you just click on this and you earn points, automatically you will get paid maybe after 2 or 3 days. Okay, but you will get paid automatically, and you don't need to come to this section and just collect your cash. You just put automatically, and once your points gets to 500, you will get $5 every time that you get 500 points to your PayPal. I mean, to $5 to your PayPal. Okay, so that's how you can get paid playing games. I hope you guys get some benefit from this video. If you like me to make more videos about this kind of website, this kind of you know uh, online business and making money online and this kind of things, comment below and thumbs up the video if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe. If you subscribe and if you do hit the notification bells, I will make meat videos every day, and you guys can see which website that you guys can earn money and start working from home. Okay, and yeah guys, and I will see you guys. Thank you for watching anyway, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.